Hey guys, Harvest Cheshire Kid 123 here. This is another fan that I got from the PA meet on Saturday, August 12th. Here we have this 44-inch, I think it is, Hampton Bay Cameron ceiling fan that I got from Colin Collects Fans. When I got this fan was all bent up all over the place. No big deal. I didn't really care, but I tried my hardest to bend the fan back into shape. This fan is gonna wobble pretty badly during the video. I think I got the blade pitch a little too high or a little too thin, but for now it works as it should. This fan is in white finish, reversible to your basic white, to bleach stroke, wash stroke, oak, whatever you guys want to call it. But it didn't come with a pull chain. I put that on there. And let's get started on low. This fan goes pretty fast. Not sure where I'm going to hang this fan. Probably outside, I don't know. Somewhere. Here's a medium. And here's high. See, I told you in the beginning of the video, this fan wobbles kind of crazy, but whatever. I like this fan, it's nice. Anyway, that concludes our video. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.